Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Rosnawati Sibatia. So I will explain the graph in my journal, which is about learning through blended learning response through website media based abstract learning. So this figure shows students' response to blended learning based English reading learning through website based abstract learning. For the blue color indicates students' response that agree, and then for the red color indicates the response of students who disagree. So I will introduction this graph. This graph shows students' response to the blended learning based English reading learning through web-based abstract learning. It shows the comparison of the students' level of agreement with the 8 aspects evaluated through the questionnaire. Based on the graph, there are 8 aspects. The detailed percentage are that is for the first aspect, there is positive response to conventional learning or face-to-face of 36.36%. And then for the second aspect, there is positive response to the attractiveness of abstract learning based on website media amounted to 97.73%. And then for the third aspect, there is positive response to students' character building by 93.18%. Positive response to abstract learning based on website media by 93.18% for. And then the fourth aspect, there is positive response towards learning innovation by 95.45% for. And next, for the fifth aspect, there is the positive response to time efficiency was 95.45%. And then for the sixth aspect, there is positive response to ease of learning was 86.36%. And then for the seventh aspect, there is the positive response to the speed of understanding is 74.12%. And the last aspect, there is the positive response to the assignment was 77.27%. So the average positive response is 81.99%. So for the negative response to the 8 aspect where for the first aspect there is disagree with online learning 63.64%, and then for the second aspect there is not interesting 2.27 point. And then for the third aspect, there is not responsible 6.82%. And then for the fourth aspect, there is not nuanced 4.55%. And next aspect, for the fifth aspect, does not save time 4.55%. And then for the sixth aspect, there is difficult to access materials 12.64%. And then for the seventh aspect, there is does not improve understanding 25.87%. And then for the last aspect, there is did not submit the assignment 22.73%. So the average negative response was 18.38%. So for the overview, the graph shows the percentage of students agreed response for each aspect. The aspect of media attractiveness received the highest response of 97.73%, While the lowest for conventional learning is 36.36% overall, the average positive response of students to online learning using Upshack is 81.99%. So, overall, this graph shows that students respond to learning English reading using blended learning model through Upshack is relatively positive, although for a conventional learning aspect, they still pair face-to-face learning. So, as for other aspects such as attractiveness, character building, and others, students tend to be positive towards blended learning through Upshack. So, for the details of the 8 indicators measured, the percentage of students who agreed ranged from 36.36% to 97.73%. Meanwhile, the percentage of students who disagreed ranged from 2.27% to 63.64%. The average percentage of students who agreed was 81.99%, while those who disagreed was 18.01%. So, in general, students respond to blended learning-based learning through Upshack media tend to be positive, although some aspects still need adjustment. That's probably all the material from this graph. Thank you.